Traveling to Eichenwalde.
Not this map, dear God.
Prepare your defense.
Guess it's go time. It's already selected, we have to play it.
Oh shit.
Look at this balance, beautiful.
I didn't even look at the numbers, I don't know what they were.
Alright, we got this. It's all good.
Yeah, I'll support. I'm just gonna do this.
Huh, you haven't played in season 1. What are you? Casual?
Damn. He's calling people out.
It's a perfect day.
There wasn't really much of a incentive to play in season 1 too, honestly. Until they released the information on the roll rates.
I'll have my eye on
Coin
you.
flip.
Yeah, that too. That shit was so annoying.
Freaking casuals in my game stream.
Attackers incoming in.
Okay, we won't even respect him. Do you think they'll see it if it's at the bottom of the stairs? Should I put it right there at the door? I'll keep it at the bottom.
Just sit around knowing there's someone out there that needs to be blown up.
Seagull, I like the mic upgrade. Keep it up. Thanks, Shatter.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective
They killed the mine. I don't care if I charge Zarya. Let's go, dude.
Genji discarded.
What is this guy doing? Just kill him. Oh my god. I'm offended. Shield me. Please shield me. There we go. He's actually just walking in over and over.
Thank you.
Discarded.
Look at. Hello?
Diva.
Hello, team? I'm about to go May. This is actually triggering. Okay, we trapped him. It's time. That guy has zero respect for anyone on the team.
Oh, that sucks.
They're taking the objective. Our world is worth fighting for.
Objective lost. Stop the pain.
This was
So I crash it here. Adjunct's actually really good. Just the problem is you build Ana ult, and we don't have an Ana, so you kind of lose in the current patch. Not because Ana's super great, as much as it is like in the very first team fight, you can't. Oh, he's so weak. He's getting chain healed by their Ana too. Great.
We're getting hit. I have all of
We can contest the cart from this side and freak them out.
you alone.
It's like you're alone. It's like, yeah, I know, but I'm dead if I stay up there because the Diva Genji will kill me, so you have to contest the cart.
This fight is not over yet.
Seagull 3 tanks, Reaper time? No, Reaper doesn't do well versus this.
Zarya discarded.
They have Diva. Or we don't. Well, I guess we'd have the Zarya. Okay. Wouldn't be bad actually. If you had something on top of what we already have, it's like counter the Diva Hard.
Left side over here. Left side.
He's so weak, you can't be able to finish him.
She's so well.
They're gonna have another Ana boost is the problem now. Oh, but Ana's dead. It won't be okay.
Zarya's so high energy. It's a problem. Oh wait, we have triple tank. Shooting Ryan's shield.
Wow, what the hell?
Genji's fine. I don't see good.
Yeah, he's far back.
That cross map charge though.
Genji's
20
fine.
speed.
We're really staggering some kills here. I don't know if that's actually hit anybody. I thought they would back up that side, but then they didn't, so. That's an NA ult, boys.
They're gonna Zaya. Careful. They're gonna Zaya.
Oh my god. He actually hit that as he's walking away, huh? Maybe I guess I should have Zinvold me left for like probably but they're all dead. Whole team's dead. Jesus.
I'm trying to out you guys.
Knew it.
Biggest stand.
I have to get back.
Oh, it's because the Lucio got ulted.
We're fine.
And again, if I was alive.
Okay.
No, I didn't think the Rhino would hit me that far back.
Want to contest this? Or is it more-
Yeah, I got out.
We can contest, let's go. Someday I'll get out of this.
Everyone focus in.
Oh no!
Got it.
Oh my god, Anna killed me
The
again.
other side, alone.
Freaking nade, dude.
He's low, he's low.
Can't do that, man.
Not resting, dude.
Point, guys, a point, a point.
That Anna is actually clutched the last 2 pushes, literally just by himself. That's how good Anna is this patch. Like,
You're jumping the gun.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Left side, Anna.
did he get absorbed? I think I got absorbed, GG. I even threw it underneath it too. Damn.
It's all done.
He's 1 HP. He's at 1 HP.
Touch down, Joshua. Lost you too, thank you.
Oh, rip.
No headshots, please. It's an interesting position to be in. Should I wait that? Oh, let's just wait this. I want to keep my spot for them.
Leave it.
Alright, let's see what we got. He absorbed it? He 180 absorbed it? Are you kidding me? Man, my last right click punch didn't go off. Man, I don't even know, dude. If that guy has the 180 absorb reaction time, that is insane. Also, my team just exploded, so that sucks. Probably gonna lose this game, boys.
Pretty good hold.
It's not too bad, we can maybe beat it.
Score 0-3. Switching sides. Prepare to attack.
Didn't we win that first fight, though? I think the ball might have killed off the team again.
Yeah.
If someone with our tank instead of doing damage, let me know.
This guy should not be playing Mercy.
Yeah, we could use the Lucy. I think Lucy's better than Mercy on offense. But whatever you're more comfortable with is fine.
With every death comes honor,
Do me again? I might actually. I'm just tempted.
redemption.
Rather just sold the team as Hanzo though.
Steve, if you want to play this again, I'll play Anna, dude. I'd rather support.
Children, behave. Attack commences in 30 seconds.
I sense within
Seagull playing to win? Nah. I mean, we have a Zen again, so it's not looking good. You like the most meta team comp in the world is like you want You see Anna, because they're like both way too good not to have.
I think I've got this, old man.
Whoa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is timing.
Capture objective A.
They might be gonna watch out.
Tony.
Just break that shield like instantly.
Alright, let me know when you guys wanna go. My shit's about to break.
Let's
Go.
go.
6, 6, you guys ready? You ready?
The maze on the right, be very careful.
Oh, shit.
Careful.
He's dead, let's go.
I got it. Run dead, run dead. We're all low, take a minute. Alright, we good? Alright, good.
They're rushing me on left. At least that guy should just die for that, honestly.
Go kill him.
Okay, yeah, they're dead.
Sorry, I killed me.
Oh no, is he? Yeah, no, they're dead.
Good.
Now the McCree's back.
Get on point, help city, help city.
Not deterred.
Support.
They should have that easy. Unless they all just got Reynolds in. Looks like one of them did.
What? Reinhardt's still there?
Yeah, I don't know, just use this ult.
They gotta get you, they gotta get you.
Good job, good job.
I got you.
Oh my god, and an 8 got me.
Actually, don't have that.
They're just suicide on point to stall.
Oh, no shit.
I just got the horde spawn.
Captured.
Ready for transcendence. My path has
Alright, be careful.
converged with that of
They don't have mercy. Okay, that's good. So if I ult them and McCree gets his ult off,
ultimate
Dragon it.
I'll echo the
see
Reinhardt.
through the dragon's eyes.
Reinhardt's left side.
Oh, well, they probably have trance actually. Maybe it is better to do both.
If he just started, I got blocked.
I got fine. Going up top.
If he over pushes, I'm pushing him to the wall. Maybe a touchdown.
Interesting.
Head out top also. In
Oh,
main.
yeah, after me.
Watch the ult. Watch the main ult.
Inside castle. Makes some heals.
That actually hits me.
got you, run.
I'm chilling. Oh no, what
As long
happened?
as you have a
I couldn't even find him. There's too much crap going on.
Oh shit.
You know, we didn't get the
pretty
two
far.
from the black hole.
I tried to shoot you guys, but
Okay.
I want a Winston actually. Let's do it.
Imagination is the essence of discovery.
They're running triple tank. Let's run right back. We'll chase that Genji to the ends of the earth and make sure he never has fun again.
ooh, nice. Wasted all that higher ult then.
Crap, yes! Am I dead? Oh, I'm dead. The Zenyatta walks up to the last second after heal nade, and that with Harmony Orb, it's what, 70 HPS or something? Instantly dead.
Everyone died. Alright, we need to pick their DPS. Genji doesn't have ult, neither does Reinhardt. Reinhardt will get it fast, so if we keep getting easy, so.
They only have Genji for the PSA.
acknowledged.
3 tanks. You could use a Reaper.
Zenyatta just. Genji's just better behind you. Ooh, we're down.
Oh, yeah, fine.
Oh, I got it. Nice, babe. Winston on time. Alright, let's take this.
We always find our target stream.
We can football it.
Push up.
Okay. I'm gonna stay on point, stay on point. Me, Zarya, and Anna. Oh, we got it. Never mind, we got it. Go.
Always find our target.
Nice, you charge. Don't charge that. Just Zarya.
You're not getting to point, buddy. You're not getting there. No, you're not.
Head back a little bit. Just end of the bitch. Hold. We're going to Winston, get back to
Did my team lose that fight? I'm actually mad. How did my team lose that fight? Both supports weren't even there. And the Genji died. What the fuck?
And those ends run up top.
So Zarya's at back.
Ooh, I like Is it time to swap?
She's 1 HP.
Where's my
Time to swap. Let's see.
She healed back up from mana.
I'm all down.
Zenyatta is F. I think that's it. No, that was me.
Fire at will.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
See what they got.
Nice. That's the push.
The payload has reached.
We can't let them secure the short point today.
Oh no! I can't believe you guys already showed last second like that. Fuck. As long as they don't. If these guys were pro as fuck right now, they wouldn't push the payload. But it doesn't matter actually.
Alright, kick your shit out.
I'm 143 HP. In the arena.
Why, friend? Does the door always rebuild no matter what? Damn it.
There's a show to do.
I'm close to you to boost. Use it on me when you get it. Don't actually. Don't. This is an interesting one. Actually, can we go in? How close are you to another Anubis? How close? 57, not good enough.
Maybe left side. Zenyatta. One more. He's just.
Nice shot with this push.
Round 2.
Almost tied so far.
Score 3-3.
That was easy.
What the fuck is this guy's
I'm thinking
microphone?
we get a May.
We're attacking, so.
Oh yeah, true, never mind. I forgot that.
With every death comes honor. With honor, redemption.
Fuck it, going fair. Let's try this. Actually, no, first one. Never mind.
Never second best.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Huckleberry. I'm your huckleberry.
Hello there.
Hello.
Behave.
Howdy. Hey there. Hello.
Children, behave.
I'm your huckleberry.
5, 4, 3,
Never second.
60 seconds remaining.
60 seconds, never mind. You know, I forgot it was that low of a time.
Enemy contact.
I'll watch out for that.
Top already. Already popped it.
Let's see what we got. Somebody's already dead somehow, that's never good.
We're going on top of bridge.
He misses fire strike.
Probably can't heal.
Why is my Ana running in and dying? What the heck? Oh, not looking good, but we tried.
500 points again.
10 seconds left.
What is it? We gotta go. Oh shit. No.
They have Anubis or something, I don't know. Does he even have any...
Oh my god.
No one got the point? Someone else had to go to point because we had to get sword off that guy.
Feels bad.
Ana got hooked.
Score 3-3.
Nothing for that.
Switching sides.
Alright, alright. We're doing something super cheesy. We're doing.
I like their idea, Roadhog and May. Do they have May? I think those two are pretty good though here. We only have a minute. I'm not sure if you really need Symmetra for that long. Even though she's good.
We'll try. I guess we need
Maybe
to
Mercy. I think Mercy just is just over here.
So I should have gone over the broken wall? Maybe. I actually consider going over. It's either that one, there's also the other back wall over there, but...
The pips, and we also have the walls to just start pushing, so it's pretty good.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
A moment to enjoy some peace and quiet.
What's up, Ronnie? So we have Symmetra? Oh. Wait, without Ana, we actually lose if we don't get it.
Hello. Hey.
Okay, we lost. I'm not. If they get an Ana boost and they just run in, we actually just all die. Like, Ana boost is the fastest charging support ult in the game. They only have 2 team fights at most. It's actually all going to come down to 1 team fight.
Attackers
Nah, I messed it up. Oops.
defend objective
Mercy, what are you doing?
Hey man, I'm getting that off. Chaser's on. Hey.
Walk in, Betty. Walk in. That guy's in. Tracer's in.
Genji Tracer on point.
Can't back up.
Not Tracer.
Alright, play together, play together.
Finish him, buddy. Finish him. Finish him.
Oh, God.
Already all good. He's low though.
Got him. Fuck.
We have Silver Tully up, I think. It's right there.
Teleporter.
He actually got it? Damn it, someone else got it.
The Tracer. Oh, Genji on point.
Oh no, he'll be
28 seconds, stay alive, stay alive.
Whoa, he 3-shot me.
Sorry, I
Unreal.
gotta go Tracer.
If he didn't 3-shot me, we would have won. I was gonna clutch right there. Watch how much damage he does. Boom. Last one headshot. We're gonna come back fast. See, cheers. Genji's on point. We just saw it. Yeah. That's game. Jesus fuck, man. Or is it? No. That's game, boys.
That's it, boys. GG.
Final score 3-4.
And is very balanced. Yeah. Doku with me? I can't time him. Man, we lost 30 points for that. Not because Ana's super great, as much as it is like in the very first team fight, you can't. Oh, he's so weak. He's getting chain healed by their Ana too. Great.
We're getting hit. I have all of
We can contest the cart from this side and freak them out.
You're alone.
It's like you're alone. It's like, yeah, I know, but I'm dead if I stay up there because the Diva Genji will kill me, so you have to test Kurt.
This fight is not over yet.
Seagull 3 tanks, Reaper time? No, Reaper doesn't do well versus this.
Sorry, just go there.
They have Diva. Or we don't, well, I guess we'd have Azora. Okay. Wouldn't be bad, actually. If you had something on top of what we already have, it's like counter the Diva hard.
Traveling to Eichenwalde.
Not this map, dear God.
Prepare your
Guess it's go time. It's already selected, we have to play it.
Oh shit.
Look at this balance, beautiful.
I didn't even look at the numbers, I don't know what they were.
Alright, we got this. It's all good.
Yeah, I'll support. I'm just gonna do this.
You haven't played in season 1. What are you? Casual?
Damn. He's calling people out.
It's a perfect day.
There wasn't really much of a sense to play in season 1 too, honestly. Until they released the information on the lords.
I'll have my eye on
Point
you,
flip.
Omnix.
Yeah, that too. That shit was so annoying.
Freaking casuals in my game stream.
Hello.
attackers incoming in.
Okay, we won't even respect him. Do you think they'll see it if it's at the bottom of the stairs? Should I put it right there at the door? I'll keep it at the bottom.
Just sit around knowing there's someone out there that needs to be.
Jesus!
I'm trying to out you guys.
Knew it.
Biggest stand.
I have to get back.
Oh, it's because the Lucio got ulted.
We're fine.
Again, if I was alive.
Okay.
No, I didn't think the Rhino would hit me that far back.
Want to contest this? Or is it not?
Yeah, I got out. I got out.
Test, let's go. Someday I'll get out of this.
Everyone focus in.
Oh no! Oh my god, Anna killed me
The other
again.
side, alone, alone.
Freaking nade, dude.
Into the
Can't do that, man.
Resting dude.
Point, guys, a point, a point.
That Anna is actually clutched the last 2 pushes, literally just by himself. That's how good Anna is in Spatula.
You're jumping the gun.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Left side, Anna. You're coming left side. You guys are alive. Just throw it over there.
Did he get absorbed? I think I got absorbed, GG. I even threw it underneath it too. Damn.
It's all down.
He's 1 HP. He's on 1 HP.
Touch down, got you. Lost you too, thank you.
Oh, rip. Left side over here.
Left side.
He's so weak, you guys should be able to finish him.
She's so
My ultimate is ready.
They're gonna have another Anna boost is the problem now. Oh, but Anna's dead. It might be okay.
Because I have so high energy. That's a problem. Oh wait, we have triple tank. Shooting Ryan's shield.
Oh wow, what the hell?
Genji's fine. You know, he's good.
Yeah, he's far back.
That cross map charge though!
Genji's
1
fine.
HP.
We're really staggering some kills here. I don't know if that's actually hit anybody. I thought they would back up that side, but then they didn't, so. That's an NA ult, boys. Oh my god. He actually hit that as he was walking away, huh? Maybe I guess I should have invuled me left for that probably, but they're all dead. Whole team's dead. Seagull, I like the mic up here. Keep it up. Thanks, Shatter.
Salute you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
They killed the mine. I don't care if I charge Zarya. Let's go, dude.
Genji destroyed him.
What is this guy doing? Just kill him. Oh my god. I'm offended. Shield me. Please shield me. There we go. He's actually just walking in over and over.
Thank you.
Destroyed him.
Like, look at... Hello?
D.Va.
Hello, team? I'm about to go Mei. This is actually triggering. It's okay, we trapped him. It's time.
Deflecting.
That guy has zero respect for anyone on the team.
Oh, that sucks.
They're taking the objective.
Our world is worth fighting for.
Objective lost. Stop the pain.
This was
Junk Crash in here. Junkrat's actually really good. It's just the problem is you build Ana ult, and we don't have an Ana, so you kind of lose in the current patch.